show you the difference. Now just remember, this one comes to about right here for me, so this one should be like around right here. And it's just so beautiful, so beautiful. Like, I'm so excited because it's just so sexy. Look at that. Like, who could do this? You know what I'm saying? So exactly what I'm wanting. Hello YouTube, this is your boy King Monsieur, and this is my new channel, Sincerely Sir. Today I'm bringing you my very first lace front wig unboxing. This lace front was to me from Amazon, and it's from a company called YounSolo. That's YOUNSOLO. And this is a 100% Brazilian body wave wig. So it's 24 inches long, and this is my first 24-inch human hair, 100% human hair wig. So let's just jump right into the unboxing because I'm just as excited to see what this is gonna look like as you are. The wig that I'm wearing now is also a wig by them, and it's the deep wave Brazilian. And I actually really love this wig. It's 130 density, and so is the wig that I'm opening now. What can I say? Like, you can straighten this hair, and as soon as you wet it, it goes back to its curl. So I really like that because I've experimented with some synthetic wigs, and I like them, but when they get wet, you know, they go to shit. And I'm kind of I am a performer. So, you know, it just makes more sense for me to use human hair just because it lasts longer. Plus, with my workouts and stuff, I can wash this hair while it's still in, and it just does everything that it needs to do. So, right now, opening this box.
That's why I'm struggling because I'm opening up. I'm just kidding.
So, this is what the box comes in, and nothing else in the thing. So we set that to the side. This is the box it comes with. Very cute. And this is actually the same type of box that this one came with. So, right off the bat, I'm excited because I know it's going to be about the same quality. Let's see. Free gift. And then this is just something they send you. Oh my gosh, so basically I just won a 10-inch 100% human hair wig.
Oh my gosh. Like, first off, I would like to thank my mother. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm definitely a deep review. So just continue. So this
The box it comes in pretty awesome, and comes in this stuff still wrapped up. Very beautiful. So we just taking some paper off. Comes with lashes that came like that the last time, and then a free spray bottle. This is a miracle. Trust me, and if you never had Brazilian hair before, curly Brazilian hair, that thing is a lifesaver. So now we'll move to what we're waiting for. So right off the bat, there's nothing left in the box. So right off the bat, as you can see, this hair is very beautiful. Look at that body wave, like, And it doesn't have a bad smell, but the smell that it does have is like this, and this one can smell like that too, and it's not bad. It smells like the hair store. And that's the only way I can describe it. And like, and I mean like a real legit hair store, not like, I'm trying to think. It just smells like a hair store to me, like. So, I honestly don't even think I've gotten that smell out of this unit that I have on, but I did use some silicone conditioner and that seemed to make it smell a little bit different. But comes with, you know, some baby hairs. So we have some baby hairs going on here. And this hair is so soft. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's just so soft, it's so beautiful. And this is 24 inches, as you can see. So pretty. So beautiful. And it's 130 density. So, and then this is the inside of the cap. So we have 3 combs. 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually 4 combs. There's that top comb right here too. And then I want to say this is 13 by 6 inch parting space, but fairly a lot of parting space. A lot of parting space, which is really good because like these wigs are just beautiful. So that's how we're looking. So give me a second, I'm gonna take this one off and put this one on. So, okay, so this is the wig on. Okay, it is gorgeous and exactly what I wanted, because the difference between this loose wave and the deep wave is just that when it gets wet on the deep wave, like it's very cute, but it gets very curly, and I love that. But one, this one's 24 inches, so you know I get that extra boom boom boom. Then what I like about it too is just it's so soft. Like this hair is so soft. Like, can you see this? Like, I am like just you see? Yes. And the crazy thing is I just flipped it over like that. But that's what I like about that, having that ear parting space, because it definitely gives you more room to play. And then like now I'm feeling like I'm giving you like that 80s big hair vibes, and you know, it's just so pretty, so cute and whatever. But yeah, so this is the wig on. I didn't cut the lace yet, but I'm definitely gonna cut that. I'm not sure if I want to put it on tonight, like fully install it tonight or tomorrow, just because you know, I want to go to sleep, and then I'm planning on working out in the morning, which, like I said before, like these wigs, like especially with depending on which glue you're using and what type of glue, I like to use an acrylic glue so the kind that comes clear and dries clear. Usually use 30 seconds Salon Pro or Walker's tape, but just really is this depending on that, and then how much you sweat, how much you work out, how hard you go, stuff like that. But when I tell you guys, this wig is just so perfect. Like, I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh. And then it's just very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I do think it's true to its length because, like I said, I believe the 24 inch came to, like, I mean 20 inch came to like right here on me, and then this one is coming like right above my belly button. So super cute. That's all I can say about this wig.
First time I had like 24 inches, and I thought like it even better, bitch. No, I'm just kidding.
But no, it feels really good. Like the hair just was soft. And then let me see how I went. Okay, so maybe what, 2 strands of hair coming out, which is crazy because I got, like, when I first started, I had got these synthetic wigs, heat resistant of course, but they used to shed so much. Every time I go like this, boom, boom, just so much hair. So I was like, there was hair everywhere in my room, and all through my clothes, my laundry. I still find hair stuff. There's even hair at work. But what I love about these wigs from YounSolo is that they have very minimum shedding. It's like real hair, and to me, like when I go like this now, because of that first wig experience, I'm always like, oh, how much hair is coming out? Like, and then I look and I'm like, what the hell? Like nothing. And that part about these wigs alone makes me so happy because they don't shed a lot, and that's very hard to find in these wigs. But yeah, so this is the wig. I hope you guys like. I'm gonna leave a link to the wig below, and then you can find one that you like and be feeling like me. Well, bye.